Igama ngingisinekiwe mpahla. Some of y'all know me as Risky Simcho. I'm a South African man who was raised Lokishini by his grandmother alongside his younger brother, but I guess since he's no longer living this life no more, I can no longer call him younger than me, right? To be honest, Sutata also had an input in raising us both, but me and my father, we had some ups and downs. And the worst part about going through traumatic experiences is forgiving yourself. I didn't have no choice but ukondla inhliziyo yami ngoxolo. Izixolele kuyo yonke into enophula ngaphakathi. So suddenly, you know, it's time to start something new and trust the magic of the beginning and the magic of the prefix. You are allowed to begin again even if you started over before. Let's start over again. Mamunyu to reaching prosperity. Being a recorded gala, but yeah, record now. Mamunyu to life.